Hey, MathKook here. This video contains one of many examples in my Algebra 2 library. The rest of those examples, along with hundreds of other videos, are only available at mathkook.com. Let's MathKook it up. This question says, use the change of base formula to calculate 5 log base pi of 10, round answer to 4 decimal places. So looking at this log, notice the base is pi. Now most calculators do not have the feature to change the base. Some do, but some don't. So how do we do this problem on our calculator if it doesn't have the feature to plug in any base we want for the log? So most calculators have these two logs on them. So log of base 10, which is basically your normal log, or has the natural log, or ln. So we want to change our log to one of these two forms. So we're going to use our change of base formula. I'm going to bring down our expression here, and here is our change of base formula. So we're going to change to whatever base we want. We call it n here, but n could be any number that we choose as long as it's a positive number. So in this case, we're going to choose 10, so that way we can plug it in on our calculator. So whatever the argument is here, that becomes the argument of the top log, and then the base becomes the argument of the bottom log. So let's go ahead and write our expression. So this is 5 times, and then we're going to have on top log base 10 of the argument, which is 10, and then the bottom will be log base 10 of the base, which is pi. So we'll put a pi there. All right, so now we've used the change of base formula to transform this log expression into logs with base 10 in them. So now we can plug this in on our calculator. Now there's a rule actually, because the log base 10 of 10, since these are the same here, it just equals, this expression on top equals the exponent here. So the exponent on here is just 1. So I'll go ahead and write this as 5 times, this ends up being 1 over log base 10 of pi. All right, so now we just simplify this on our calculator. So we're going to, on our calculator, we're going to go 5, because this is really on top. So 5 divided by the log of pi. And when we do that on our calculator, we get 10.05732 9. And this decimal goes on forever. Now the directions say round answer to 4 decimal places. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So the 3 here is the 4th decimal place. So we are going to take the number after it and round if needed. Because this number here 2 is less than 5, we will not round this up. It will just stay a 3. So our final answer is 10.0573. All right, so there is our simplified expression for our initial log expression here. So we simplified it on the calculator and got this decimal here rounded to 4 decimal places. Hey Kook, if you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment. For unlimited access to all of my Algebra 2 videos, visit mathkook.com. Thanks for watching.